Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to do my weekly setup in my social media planner. And I will be using these stickers from Isis Ella Jewels, this washi tape, Isis Ella Jewels, Cookie Sticker Co., and Simply Gilded. And I will probably use some date covers from the Agenda 52 Numbers and Days book by the Paper Studio from Hobby Lobby. This is my B6 Traveler's Notebook. The cover is from Mystic's Little Gifts, or MLG and Co. I do have a discount code, Rachelle15, but I will put all the information in the description box below. This is an ollie clip and just a couple of charms that I had back when I had a child in ballet, and I just have not given them up. So let's see, this is a bow, and I don't even remember where I got them from. And then these are the little black ballet shoes. Okay, anyway, enough of that. So if you recall, I did take everything out of this front pocket. And I don't know why I put this notebook back in here the way that I did, but I did. And let's see. I'm going to take it out of the cover. So this is where we are. This is some of what I set up in the last video for the monthly. And then this is this week. This week I was on and off because of real life. So not everything is filled in. I didn't even post a video every day this past week. So yeah, and today is a Saturday, so but I think I did pretty good, and I really love the layout and using these journaling squares. So we're gonna do that again this week. Okay, so I'm not sure how I'm going to be using the first page here, this section, but I'm going to go ahead and start putting down some washi. And then my this week stickers. These are from Crafting by the Pound, and I'm really loving them. This time I'm going to put it underneath the washi because they don't like to stick to that washi. And then I need my word stickers because I need my Monday through Sunday stickers. And I'm going to leave room for the dates beside that so that I can write that in. And then I'm going to use this doll, Michelle, since Mary is already in the kit. And I've been putting off using Michelle, so it's time to use her. I think I'm gonna put her right here. Then I'm going to, well, the hearts going, it might be too much. To add the hearts in. What do we think? That's taking up quite a bit of space. I may leave those. We may do without the hearts. We'll see. So there's that. So now I have a feel for the look that I'm going to go for. So we can go ahead and put all the washi down. And try and put it down straight. So then we're going to take our melanin washi and add that in. Now for our footer. I think I'm gonna use the black and gold or the black and white. I think I'll use the black and white. So let's see. Okay, so the people next door are having their lawn done, so I'm going to be quiet for a bit because they're really close to my window. So I'm just going to add this yellowish washi down at the bottom. So I think we're finished with the deco. I do need to go in and put in some dates. This is what, the 6th through the 13th? No, the 7th through the 13th. Okay. Maybe I want to use some of my own numbers. Might as well get them all off the sheet and get busy. Okay, so how do I want to put them? I think I'm gonna put them to the side. No, put them underneath so I can put the video of the day. Even though I'm finding that that's not really necessary for me to do, but I kind of like being able to look on that day and see what the video was or what I did for Instagram. So even though I don't have specific things set for Instagram. Am I doing that right? Nope. So I don't really want to use this color. I'm thinking I should do gray. Even though I haven't used gray in this spread, really. There is gray in some of the graphics, so like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just turn it around so I can see. Yeah, because that's very light, but it also kind of highlights just a little bit. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that washi not sticking. And then this one really should have went up here, but not much happens on Sunday, so. Okay, so now, other than the empty first page, I think we are done. I'm gonna put some glue stick on this little piece of washi that doesn't want to cooperate. There you go. So yeah, I'm satisfied. I'm happy with it, and I got to use some washi that I don't often use, which is good. So yeah, if I decide what I want to put here and it is video worthy, I will come back and share what it is. It may just be some kind of decoration, or I'm not sure. But this is the this week page. Then each day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Let's find the center and pop this back in to the notebook. Okay. So here we are. I guess this can, I don't know. I like to show the Saturday and Sunday page. All right, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.